yay.
Oh no.
Oh hooray, in fact, we'll say.
Today's note is called Standard Form.
Today is February the 19th, 2014. Okay, just like usual in this class, what's going to happen? We're going to have a very, very short note. I think it will be 2 sentences. And then we're going to do examples the whole rest of the day. Okay, that's my plan for today. We're going to say standard form is ax plus by plus c equals 0, where all numbers aren't fractions. And the x is positive. Okay, so my example is going to be something that's standard form would be like this. Okay, why do we like standard form? Because it looks nice. That's the reason you'll use it. Okay, it's a different, nice way to write equations. There's no fractions in here. There's no decimals. Like everything is looking good. At least you're getting this down right. Lisa? You get this down right?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's no decimals. There's no fractions. There's no like y equals negative 2/3, x plus 4, and things like that. All of those things are gone. It's just a nice, easy way to do the equation. It's just another form of the linear equation that we're going to deal with this. Okay, we're going to talk about fractions today. We're also going to talk about putting this in the y equals mx plus b, because that's what we're going to do today. That's all we have for the note, and then we will move on here. Do other teachers give you like pages and pages of notes, or not really?
Pages and pages?
Like some?
Yeah, they give us moderately long notes.
So I give a moderate lot of examples and then a lot of notes. That's what I prefer.
Some of them, if they're feeling lazy, they just give us the note printed out already.
That's when the students begin to sleep. That's what happens. Sorry to my fellow teachers here, okay? But... Okay, example 1. You see like this? We're good? Okay, example 1. Okay, and I want you to put a giant star and a heart beside this question, okay? Because this means that this will be on your first test, I guarantee. I'm going to say, put the equation 2x plus 2y, what is it, minus 8 equals 0 into y equals mx plus b form. This is the pinnacle of awesomeness for this chapter, okay? Okay, as you write that down, I'd ask somebody to be brave. Why the heaven would I want something in y equals mx plus b? Why would you want to do it in y equals mx plus b? Yes?
To graph it.
To graph it. Okay, that's the main reason people do that. Okay, so if I give you a weird equation like this, we'll get to messier ones in a minute. Okay, right? How, someone would also be brave. If I want that to be in y equals mx plus b form, what do I need to have happen? Yeah, go ahead, Lisa.
Could you do 2y equals
Yes.
2x plus minus
Good.
8?
Well, so careful. It's going to be negative 2x plus 8, right? But so what we're going to want to do is, and you're exactly right, though. You want to make just y on the left. The word for that is isolate, if you're interested in math terminology. Okay, so you're exactly right. Somebody help Lisa out. I want to get rid of a 2x and an 8. What does a 2x turn into when you bring it across? I'll open this up to anybody here for a second. What does it turn into? Anna, go ahead. Negative 2x. So the 2y I'm going to keep here. And I'm going to call that the 2x turns into negative 2x. What will the negative 8, somebody other than Hannah, turn into when you bring it across? positive 8. Okay. So everyone see what happened there? Everything just flipped its signs when it comes across. Now I need someone that's tremendously brave, other than Jake and Hannah. Last step to get y by itself. You can do this. What is it? You're out, Jake. Too bad. Too late. Lisa, you're back in.
You do negative 2x divided by 2.
Oh, good. Right? Then you're just going to divide by 2. What's that? Sorry? I don't know what the angle thing is, but. Yeah, so everything's going to be divided by 2. Right, it's exactly the same thing as what we just did for algebra. Okay. So what I'm going to write is I'm just going to write 2y divided by 2 equals negative 2x divided by 2 plus 8 divided by 2. I need 3 new brave volunteers. What is 2y divided by 2 just equal to? Here, go ahead. What's 2y divided by 2 equal to? 1y, or just y. Lovely. Quinn, you've been tremendously quiet today. What is negative 2x divided by 2 equal to?
X.
Close. Negative x, because the minus still sticks there, right? Right, so negative x. And Cassie, you've been 100% quiet today. What is 8 divided by 2 going to be? 4. Okay. And if you take a look now, we're in y equals mx plus b, known in the form to graphic. Okay. I'm going to hit pause in the video. I'll give everyone a second to write that down, and then everyone's going to drop their heads. Example 2 says, I'll do this one with you guys. Example 3, you'll try yourselves here. Example 2 is going to say, we're going to change it to, well, how about this one? 6x minus 3y plus 12 equals 0 into y equals mx plus b. Okay, so put that equals into y equals mx plus b form, I should probably say. Okay, I need someone. Hannah, you're out, and who else is out? I guess that's it for right now. So I'm just going to pass it on to you for right now. Okay, get somebody to be brave and give me a brave first step. Jake, go ahead.
3y equals.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Okay. Right.
3y equals minus 6x.
Okay.
Negative or minus 12.
Okay. He is so close, but he forgot one thing. What did he forget, Hannah? What did he forget? Yeah, this, you're so good, right? The only thing he forgot is the negative 6 there. So Jake did exactly the thing. Thank you for being great. 6x on the left turns to negative 6 on the right. Okay? 12 on the left turns to negative 12 on the right. Wonderful. I'm beyond happiness right now. Okay, I'm not beyond happiness, but I'm getting there. Okay? All right. Last step. Someone please be brave. Lisa, go ahead.
You divide it all by 3.
Close. Divided all by negative 3. Excellent. Okay. Now, if you need a calculator today, you don't need a board calculator. Does anyone need a calculator? You need one. Okay. Quite a good one. Okay, if you need to get a calculator for integers, number 1, bring your own. Okay, hopefully they haven't heard that. Bring your own. But if you need integers. Okay, so here's the thing. We're not picked on yet.
I haven't picked on Quinn.
Yes, I picked on a lot.
Yeah.
No?
So have I.
You don't want to divide? What's negative 3 divided by negative 3? 1. So this is just y. And remember, we wanted this to be y, right? So you wanted it to go like that. Negative 6 divided by negative 3. Go ahead.
Negative 2.
No. No. 2. Because a negative divided by a negative switches to positive, right? So it's positive 2x. And then negative 12 divided by negative 3. Go ahead. Yeah, plus 4. So watch your negatives here again. If you didn't get your negatives right, that's okay. All it means is that use your calculator next to make sure it gets it right, or remember the signs. When there's negatives, it means it flips the signs. Okay? I'm going to try example 3 for you to try on your own momentarily. Actually, that being right now. Okay? We're going to graph this one as 2, but I'm going to do the graphing in a sec here. Okay? Example 3. We're going to say put 2x plus 3y minus 12 equals 0 into y equals mx plus b form and graph. Okay, so what I want you to do is to try to do the last steps. I'm going to stop this.